The best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in this example, we want to look at how do we combine multiple sets of data into one big set. As always, this file is available for download using a link below, and then you can either follow along or try on your own and then check your answer. Now with a set, we don't want to have duplicate values. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new variable called fans. This is going to equal basketball fans, and then we use the union operator to create a new set. We're going to merge with the basketball fans, baseball fans. This would get put into our fans. Now we could say fans equals fans.union and then add in our football fans and print out fans. If we see here, here's a list of all of our fans, but none are repeated. However, there's a slightly easier way, believe it or not. And this is by using something called chaining. So I'm going to remove this second line, line 12. So here we have fans equals basketball fans dot union baseball fans. Well, this is a set. Because that's a set, I can say I want to use the union again. This is the idea of chaining. We're taking the output of one command and using it to do another operation. So now we have to just put in football, and this is going to combine all three fan sets into fans. Run this, and you'll notice it gives us the exact same output because it's doing the exact same thing, just a little faster and easier. So that's a quick and easy way to combine sets into one new superset. If you like this, please consider subscribing so you can see other examples to help you get better at programming.